My name is Jinesh Shah and I am a graduate student. My major is Automotive Systems and I intern with Bosch Diesel. I did my internship with Bosch Diesel because it's #1 automotive supplier and it's a big name in diesel systems. During my internship, I worked on a Web 3.0 project, which is basically telemetric data gathering and analysis. I had no experience with validation and data analysis, and I got to learn a lot of things about the same, and I also learned a couple of new softwares. I got to learn a lot more things than I was expecting. One of the best memories I had at Bosch is with my co-workers and mentor did a prank with me to put an air horn under my chair and record that in camera. I picked Kettering for a couple of reasons. First of all, Kettering is providing a lot more research opportunities than other schools. And the second thing is the SAE teams here at Kettering. I am on the snowmobile team and Formula team. I was interested in snowmobile because at first look it looked so cool, and second they were using diesel in the snowmobile, so it was pretty new and exciting thing to do. I just walked into the lab and I wanted to work, and they put me right on the team and I started working. I have never seen snowmobile before I came to Kettering.